Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to talk to you about something I briefly touched upon in a previous video, called how to use less data on Instagram. I mentioned using time limit settings on Instagram, and also on your iPhone, to limit the amount of time you spend on the app. In turn, you'll use less data on Instagram, and you'll also have a little more time to spend elsewhere, doing much more productive and fun stuff. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the time limit setting in your iPhone, and how to set a time limit for Instagram so that you don't waste hours of your day on the app by accident. Where are the Instagram time limit settings on an iPhone? If you tap on the Settings app, which you can quickly find by pulling down the screen and revealing the search bar at the top of it, you'll find a tab called Screen Time. This is where you'll find the option to set time limits on various apps, apply downtime hours, and more. How to turn on an Instagram time limit in iPhone settings. In Settings, and then Screen Time, you'll want to start with the option that says App Limits. Next, you'll want to hit Add Limit. If you already have limits set, you'll see them listed on this screen, but I'll show you that once we've turned the Instagram limit on. You can choose from a variety of options here, but I'm going to head to Social, because that's where I'll find the Instagram option, and then I'm going to hit Instagram. You can select multiple apps at once. When you've selected all of the apps that you want to apply a time limit to, hit Next in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now, you just need to move the wheel on the screen to the number of minutes you will allow yourself on the app each day. I'm going to choose 5 minutes for just now, but I usually have it set to half an hour. You can customize the time limit, allowing different limits for different days. When you've set your time limit, hit Add in the top right-hand side of the screen. As you can see, I now have a limit of 5 minutes per day on the Instagram app. How to turn off an Instagram time limit in iPhone settings. If you ever change your mind and want to delete the time limit completely, you can do so by simply swiping left on it. As you can see, the delete option appears on the right-hand side. How to edit the time limit for Instagram in iPhone settings. If you simply want to edit the time limit and make it longer or shorter, tap on it, and then tap on Time. The rolling wheel will reappear and you can set a new time limit. What happens when you reach the time limit on Instagram? To start with, you'll get a notification warning you that you only have 5 minutes left on the app. Then, when you have reached the time limit, this screen will appear. The whole screen is blocked rather than just a notification popping up, which makes it impossible to ignore. When the time limit notice pops up on the screen, you have two options. You can press OK, or you can ignore the limit. If you press OK, the Instagram app, or whatever app you have set the limit for, will shut down. The name of the app will have a small hourglass symbol next to it, showing you that you have reached your daily limit. If you try to open the app, you will be shown the time limit screen yet again. It will continue to do this every time you attempt to open the app unless the time limit is refreshed at midnight, or you choose to ignore the limit. When you hit Ignore Limit, you are given 3 choices. You can allow yourself to have 1 more minute. Or, you can have another reminder in 15 minutes. Or, you can ignore the limit entirely for the day. You can set time limits for everything on your iPhone, including games, social platforms, websites, and more. I highly recommend having a look through the Screen Time tab of your settings, especially the tab that says See All Activity. This breaks down how much time you are spending on your phone per app, and it might just surprise you how much time you're wasting on your phone each day. It surprised me, that's for sure. I hope you found this video useful today. but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.